student. Good morning student. Today we are going to learn 4th standard English grammar. Okay, English subjects, English grammar. Then second number chapter, kinds of sentences. Okay, last video we learned what sentences. Now today we are going to learn them kinds of sentences. Now listen. See, according to their uses, sentences are generally divided into 5 kinds. Okay, sentences are generally divided into 5 kinds. Means there are the 5 kinds of sentences. See here. First, assertive. Kinds of sentences. See. First, assertive. A-S-S-E-R-A-T-I-V-E. Assertive sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N, S-E-N-T-E-N, C-E-S, C-E-S, sentences. Second, C, interrogative sentences. I-N-T-E-R-R-O-G-A-T-I-V-E. Interrogative sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. Now listen, third C, imperative sentences. I-M-P-E-R-A-T-I-V-E-S, imperative sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. Fourth C, objective sentences. Fourth, objective. O-P-T-A-T-I-V-E, objective sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. And fifth C, exclamatory sentences. E-X-C-L-A-M-A-T-O-R-Y, exclamatory sentences. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, exclamatory sentences. Now listen, there are 5 kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences? There are 5 kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. Fourth, objective sentences. Fifth, exclamatory sentences. Okay, there are 5 kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences? There are 5 kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentences. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentences. Fourth, objective sentences. Fifth, exclamatory sentences. Do you understand now how many kinds of sentences? There are 5 kinds of sentences. Now first we will see here assertive sentences. First we will see here assertive sentences. Okay, what is mean by assertive sentence? See here, assertive sentences are statements. S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T-S, statement. Assertive sentences are statements. Now listen, what is mean by assertive sentences? See here, sentences that state fact are called assertive sentences. Sentences, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences that state fact, that state facts sentences that state fact are called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence or statements. Now listen, assertive sentences or statements means what? Sentences that state fact are called assertive sentences. For example, we will see here. For example, see. A blind beggar is walking with stick. A blind beggar, B-E-G-G-A-R, beggar is W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking, W-I-T-H, with a S-T-I-C-K, stick. Full stop. Now listen second, see, stars twinkle at night. Second sentence, see, stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars, twinkle, T-W-I-N-K-L-E, twinkle, A-T, at, N-I-G-H-T, night. Full stop. Now listen third, see, we obey our elders. Third, we obey, O-B-E-Y, obey our, O-U-R, our elder, E-L-D-E-R-E-S, elders. See here, assertive sentences or statements means what? Sentences that state facts are called assertive sentences or statements. आपलं डायरेक्ट काय करायचं, मत जे आहे ते व्यक्त करणे म्हणजेच काय रे, assertive sentences. Okay, for example, see here, a blind beggar is walking with stick. A blind beggar is walking with stick. Stars twinkle at night. Stars twinkle at night. Now lastly there is the full stop. See, we obey our elders. We obey our elders. एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल आपलं मत डायरेक्ट काय करणे, स्पष्ट करणे किंवा सांगणे म्हणजेच काय, assertive sentence. Do you understand now? Assertive sentence means what? Sentences that state fact are called assertive sentences or a statement. See here example, a blind beggar is walking with a stick. Second, see, star twinkle at night. Third, see, we obey our elder. Means in the above sentence we have stated facts. We see the facts. They are called assertive sentences or statement. Okay, they are assertive sentences or statement. At the end of each sentences we must place a full stop. Okay, lastly we write here, at the end of sentences we write here full stop in assertive sentences. Do you understand now? Assertive sentences means what? Sentences that state fact are called assertive sentences or statement. For example, we see here, a blind beggar is walking with a stick. Second, stars twinkle at night. Now lastly there is the full stop. No, we obey our elders. Lastly there is full stop. Means what? In the above sentences we have stated fact. They are called assertive sentences or statement. At the end of each statement we must place a full stop. Okay, we write at last here, then sentences lastly we write there full stop. Okay, means you understand now what is meant by assertive sentences or statement. Now listen, see then second, interrogative sentences. Second C, interrogative sentences. INTE double ROGATIVE interrogative sentences. SENTENCES sentences. Or we see question or question. QUESTION. Yes, means interrogative sentences we say questions. Interrogative sentences we say questions. See, interrogative sentences means what? Sentences that we use to ask question are called interrogative sentences. Sentences, SENTENCES. Sentences that, 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 WEV, USE, use to ask, ASK, ask questions, QUESTIONS. Questions are called interrogative sentences or question. Are called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences or question. Okay, for example, see here. Can you carry this bag? Can you carry this bag? Now listen, here is the question mark. Lastly we write there question mark. Now listen, see the second sentence. What have you seen there? What have you seen there? THERE, there. Here is the question mark. Now listen, third C. Where do you live? Third C. Where do you live? LIVE, live. Here is the question mark. Now listen. See here, interrogative sentences means what? Sentences that we use to ask question are called interrogative sentences. Means you ask question. ओके, इन इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस. जिथे आपण काय करतो, प्रश्न विचारतो, त्या सेंटेन्सना काय म्हणायचं? इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी, कॅन यू कॅरी धिस बॅग? क्वेश्चन मार्क. लास्टली वी राइट देयर क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेकंड सी, व्हाट हैव यू सीन देयर? लास्टली देयर इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क. थर्ड सेंटेंस सी, वेयर डू यू लिव? Where do you live? And lastly there is the question mark. Means what? All the above sentences are example of interrogative sentences or questions. We put a question mark at the end of such sentences. Now listen, here we write no, then at the end of sentences we write here question mark. Okay, do you understand now what is mean by interrogative sentence or question? Sentences that we use to ask question are called interrogative sentences or questions. For example, see, first, can you carry this bag? Lastly, there we write question mark. Second, what have you seen? There, lastly we write there question mark. Third, see, where do you live? Lastly write the question mark. Means all the above sentences are example of interrogative sentences or questions. We put a question mark at the end of such a sentences. Okay, means you understand now interrogative sentences. Now listen, third see, we see the third which sentence, imperative sentences. Okay, third see, imperative sentences. IMPERATIVE, imperative sentences. SENTENCES, sentences. Okay, now listen, imperative sentences means what? Sentences, SENTENCES, sentences that we use to command comma, to request, comma, see, or to advise, 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 are called imperative sentences. Are called imperative sentences. Okay, now listen, for example, see, imperative sentences. Sentences that we use to command or to request or to advise are called imperative sentences. Now, for example, see, leave this place at once. LEAVE, leave, this, 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 place, 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 at, ONCE, once. Here is the full stop. Second, see, please switch on the fan. PLEASE, please switch, SWITCH, switch on the fan, on, THE, the, FAN, fan. Here is the full stop. Okay, now listen, see this third number example. Take this medicine twice a day. Take, take, this, 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 medicine, 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 twice, TWICE, twice a day, DAY, day. Okay. Now listen, fourth number example, see here. Fourth number, let's watch this game. LET''Ts. Let's watch. WATCH. Watch this. 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 GAME. Game. Here is the full stop. Okay, now listen. Imperative sentences means what? Sentences that we use to command, to request or to advise are called imperative sentences. Means at the times you want to give an order, okay, make a request. At time you want to give a order, make a request, give some advice or suggest something to somebody. Or suggest something to somebody means imperative sentences. Okay, you understand now? Imperative sentences means the sentences that we use to command, to request or to advise are called imperative sentences. Means at the time you want to give an order, make a request, give some advice, suggest something to somebody, etc. Now see here is the example. First example, see. Leave this place at once. Leave this place at once. Means here is the what? Order, no? Here is the command. Okay, means here is the order. Leave this place at once. Okay. Second, see, please switch on the fan. Means second sentence we see the request. Second sentence we see no request. Third, see, take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Here is the full stop, see. Means third sentence we see the advice. Third sentence we see no advice. And fourth sentence, see, let's watch this game. Okay. Fourth sentence, see, let's watch this game. Here is the full stop. Means fourth sentence we see the suggest. Fourth sentence we see the suggestion. Okay. Means at the time you want to give order, make a request, give some advice, suggest something to somebody, etc. are called imperative sentences, or sentences that we use to command or to request or to give advice are called imperative sentences. Do you understand now? Imperative sentences means what? ज्या सेंटेन्स मध्ये आपण काय करतो, ऑर्डर देतो, रिक्वेस्ट करतो किंवा एखाद्याला ॲडवाइस देतो किंवा सजेशन देतो, अशी सेंटेन्स म्हणजे काय? imperative sentences. Now listen, we see here. Then first sentence, leave this place at once. Means in first sentence we see the order. Okay. See then second sentence, please switch on the fan. Means second sentence we see the request. See then third sentence, take this medicine twice a day. Means third sentence we see the advice. Okay. And now listen, see then fourth number sentence, let's watch this game. Let's watch this game. Means fourth sentences we see the suggestion. Means at the time you want to give an order, to make request, give some advice, suggest something to somebody, etc. There are imperative sentences, their subject are missing. In each case the subject is you. Means see, in these sentences their subjects are missing. In each case the subject is you. म्हणजे ह्या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये काय, सेंटेन्स मध्ये काय असतो, सब्जेक्ट जो आहे, कर्ता जो आहे तो मिसिंग असतो. म्हणजे कर्ता कोण असतो? तुम्ही असता ते. ओके. त्यामुळे इथे काय आहे, सब्जेक्ट जो आहे तो काय आहे? मिसिंग. म्हणजे कर्ता जो आहे तो काय? मिसिंग आहे. कारण कर्ता हा कोण असता? तुम्ही असता. त्याच्यामुळे इथे काय आहे? सब्जेक्ट हा मिसिंग आहे. ओके. Now you understand the imperative sentences. Once again see, sentences that we use to command, to request or to advise are called imperative sentence. See here, yeah, at the times you want to give an order, make request, give some advice, suggest something to somebody. Okay, now listen, see the first sentence, leave his place at once. Means first sentence we see the order, yeah, command, please switch on the fan. Means second sentence we see the request, take these medicines twice a day. Means third sentence we see the advice. And fourth sentence see, let's watch this game. Means fourth sentence we see the suggestion. Okay, do you understand now what is meant by imperative sentences? I think you understand that, no? First sentence assertive sentence, second sentence interrogative sentence, and third imperative sentences. Okay, I think you understand these sentences. And fourth, objective sentences and exclamatory sentences we will learn in next video. Thank you.